Welcome to Crystal Codes on Love and Unity, a collection from Bedrock Global Academy, Buddha. Here, we inspire and promote the values of compassion, togetherness, and harmony within our community and beyond. Each code reflects the spirit of love and unity that is central to our academic mission, which is intended to uplift and remind us of the strength we find in unity and the beauty of love. Let this word resonate with you, fostering a deeper sense of connection and understanding. I am Princess Emmanuel.
In peace and unity, we find our true strength. I am Dennis Godwin James. Love and unity are the light in darkness, unified by love. We inspire each other, we build bridges of understanding, and create a legacy of peace. I am Miguel Peters. The power of love and unity is boundless, and its essence is timeless. Together in love, we are limitless. Together in love, we overcome anything. Love and unity is the key to a fulfilled life. I am Berenice Udu.